Scentsy Rock Stars. Oh, I got dirty glasses, so sorry. There we go. So my UPS came way early. Yes, I'm in the car. My husband has physical therapy, so I'm working in the car while he goes and does his physical therapy. Anyway, I got the Scentsy Family Reunion box in the mail today. So I paid for the $50 box. Hey Kathy. Hey Kaylin. So I'm going to show you what's in my box and kind of what we got in it. So you know why. I mean, the $11 is awesome. You get the streaming and all the information. When you get to the point, sometimes the box is awesome too. So anyway, let me show you what's in it. Hang on. So this cute little box came. I know I have a box fetish. And this is the top of the box. We got some glasses. I know Orville did show this, Orville and Heidi, on their end of the month. So, these are what is important. I know you're going to laugh, and I'll show a picture after I put it on my lanyard. These are a status. And I've kind of said that before, when you see people walking around and you see their name badges like here, and then you see the amount of ribbons they have on them. It's a status thing. So I will show you guys my ribbons once I get them on. Not sure what this is. Oh, confetti. Confetti is a huge part of Scentsy Family Reunion. Like, they have these confetti guns that go off and literally spray confetti everywhere. I have confetti saved from a couple different reunions where I just keep them in a jar. So I have more confetti. My lanyard, which my badge hooks on. My badge should be in here. If this would just stay open. I know I'm trying to do this with one hand. Let's see. Oh, well, that's interesting. Look at that. Very interesting. My name badge. Oh, we got a book to, we get these in every one. You're going to get, usually it has the agenda in it, and it'll say Orville's keynote speech. I'll show a couple, but we got binders to write in, and then our t-shirt. So, hey Heather, hey Sarah, and my t-shirt. So I have t-shirts from I've only missed one reunion, and that was the first year that I was a consultant, and I signed up in February. I didn't go to that reunion, but I've been to every one since. So this was the kit that we got, and they always do such a good job of, so exciting. We're going to need these for something, not sure what. So this must have been the surprise, is to have the confetti. This is what comes out of the cannons. They're pretty cool. Anyway, so that is the kit. I cannot wait for reunion to start. For those of you that signed up, be watching your mail, not just for what Scentsy sends you, but you never know what you're going to get. Anyway, have a great day, guys, and talk soon.